grab that photo book. Today on Craft-A-Care, we're going to make these cute little picture books. You'll need cute little photo albums with 25 clear sleeves. And then we're going to make this simple picture book, which makes a great gift and is a fun project for anyone to do. Welcome to Craft-A-Care, where you'll find simple projects to make gifts that you can give away or keep or give to charity. For this project, you'll need a 25-page photo album. It has the clear sleeves in it. You will need 4x6 index cards. It's okay if they have lines on one side. You just need the one side to be blank if you're going to do some drawings or put some sayings on them, because the back won't be seen. And then you can get creative. You can get pictures out of old magazines. You might have some postcards that you'd like to use. Then you'll need a scissors, some markers, colored pencils, crayons, and pencils, permanent markers. Those are just the supplies that I'm using in these books today. If you'd like to use magazine photos in your photo book, you can page through your magazine until you find some pictures that you like, and then simply put down your 4x6 card over the picture that you want and draw around it with a pen. We're going to keep going through the magazine till we find as many pictures as we'd like for in our book. A lot of times I will go through a whole magazine and just cut out a bunch of the pictures and stockpile them to make a whole bunch of different photo books. I started making these about 4 or 5 years ago. A woman that I know, her church group gets together and makes hundreds of them for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. And it seemed like such a great thing to do by yourself, or I used to do them with my kids when they were younger, and also as a group. There's different jobs for everyone to do, like cutting or coloring or drawing, and then putting the pictures in the little sleeves. Magazine pictures are just one of the things that I'm using in these books today. As you can see from the pile of things here, there's also a lot of cute little drawings that I've done that will get placed in there. They're just drawn on a 4x6 card. So if it's going to a small child, different shapes, different numbers for them to learn numbers, just anything fun and colorful that I felt like drawing or putting on the pictures. One of my new favorite things to draw is a cute little snowman. I thought he was kind of fun. I found a simple drawing of a snowman. I googled that and started drawing him. So I just used some permanent marker and drew a nice outline for him, and then used my colored markers to give him a little bit of color, a little bit of fun, and then he is going to be one of the drawings that we put in the photo books. Once you've gotten all your pictures and drawings together that will fill a book, then you simply start putting them in the plastic sleeves. You will put 2 in each plastic sleeve, one facing the front, one facing the back. So you will not see the back of your card, so it's okay if there's something on the back. Certainly the magazine pictures will have part of the magazine on the back, but you won't be seeing that. Now these particular photo books come with a little opening in the front, so you can add a picture there in the front, but we have this little photo spot in the front, so I'm just going to pull out that plastic sleeve and the piece of paper, and rather than draw something or use a magazine picture on this, I'm going to use some cute little stickers. So I'm going to trace that little square that came with it so I get the right size for my picture that I'm going to put in there. Making this photo book for a little girl, so we are going to put some cute little Minnie Mouse stickers on there. We slide the index card in there, and then we have our photo book finished with Minnie Mouse on the front. This project lets you get super creative on what you want to put in it. And any age can help, whether it's picking out pictures from a magazine, drawing, cutting, or writing notes. Anyone can help. If you had fun making these today, then hit that subscribe button and check back each week for more great ideas. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of it, what you made, and any fun ideas that you have of different items that you put in your picture books.